Hello and welcome in this video for this exercise given during the MIT Integration B 2022, and this is an integral to calculate, and this is integral from 0 to 1 of square root of 1 minus square root of x dx. So if you want to give a try, please pause the video, otherwise let's see the solution. So we've got a square root, so one idea is to use U-substitution, and we are going to set U equals what is below the root. This is 1 minus square root of x. So next step, this is to express x function of U. So you put this term on the other side, and we've got square root of x equals 1 minus u. We would like to get x, so we are going to square both sides. And in fact, this is x equals u squared minus 2u plus 1. So if you derivate, this is dx equals 2u minus 2 du. So we are going to write down this as a soft reminder. So now let's talk about boundaries. If x equals 0, you plug 0 there. This is 1 minus 0, this is 1. And if x equals 1, you end up with 1 minus square root of 1. This is 1 minus 1, this is 0. So u equals 0. So now we can plug everything, and to change the integral, this is integral from 1 to 0 of square root of u times 2u minus 2 du. So now we've got a problem with boundaries. So there is a rule, we know, if you want to flip boundaries, you need to add a minus sign. Or the reverse way, if you've got a minus sign, this is exactly the same as flipping boundaries. So instead of writing 2u minus 2, we are going to write down 2 minus 2u. And 2 is a common factor, so we can put this common factor outside of parentheses and even in front of the integral. So we are going to get 2 integral from 0 to 1 of square root of u times 1 minus u du. So next step, this is to write down that square root of u, this is u to the power of 1 over 2. So if you write down that, we can calculate u power 1/2 times u, this is u power 1/2 plus 1, and this is u power 3/2. So now this is 2 integral from 0 to 1 u 1/2 minus u 3/2 du. So we need to find out an antiderivative of these two functions. So this is 2 from 0 to 1 u power 1/2 plus 1, this is 3/2, and you divide by the same quantity, 3/2, minus u 3/2 plus 1, this is 5/2, and you divide by the exact same quantity. When you divide by a fraction, this is the same as multiplying by the inverse fraction. Instead of dividing by 3/2, this is the same as multiplying by 2/3. And this is the same as multiplying as 2/5. So 2 times 2, this is 4. So we got 4 and u power 3/2 over 3 minus u power 5/2 over 5. And this is between 0 and 1. So now if u equals 1, if you plug 1, this is 1 power 3/2, this is 1, divided by 3, this is 1/3, minus u, and this is 1 power 5/2 divided by 5, this is 1/5. And if you plug 0, you end up with 0. So you end up with 4 times 1/3 minus 1/5. And now this is 4 times 5 minus 3 over 15. 5 minus 3, this is 2. 4 times 2, this is 8. So you end up with 8 over 15. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.